Today, we have some exciting news to share with you. Instagram has just released a brand new app called Threads, and it's making waves in the social media world. So, let's dive right in and discover what Threads is all about. Threads is Instagram's latest offering, and it's being hailed as a potential Twitter killer. This app aims to recreate the social and interactive experience that Twitter provides. Think of it as your new go-to platform for connecting with friends, celebrities, and even political figures. One of the standout features of Threads is how seamlessly it integrates with Instagram. Your handle on Threads will be the same as your Instagram handle, making it super easy to find and connect with your friends. No need to remember a new username or handle. Once you're on Threads, the home feed becomes your hub for all the latest updates from your friends. It's like having a personalized news feed tailored to your interests and social connections. And if you're looking to discover new people to follow, the search field has got you covered. It not only suggests people you might know from Instagram, but also offers recommendations for interesting profiles to explore. Threads keeps you in the loop with activity notifications. You'll be notified of replies, mentions, and updates from verified accounts. It's like having your own personal assistant, keeping you connected and engaged. But wait, there's more. Threads goes beyond being just a messaging app. You can post, comment, repost, and even share links. It's almost like a Twitter clone or a mini blogging platform, where you can express yourself and engage with others in a familiar way. Threads also cares about your well-being. In the settings, you can choose to receive reminders to take a break every 10, 20, 30 minutes, or never. It's a great feature to help you maintain a healthy balance while using the app. And of course, what's a social media app without the ability to post photos? Threads allows you to share your favorite moments visually and connect with your friends through images. And that's a wrap, folks. Threads is Instagram's exciting new venture into the world of microblogging and social connectivity. So, go ahead, give it a try, and let us know how you plan on using it. Don't forget to follow us on Threads for more updates and engaging content. Thanks for watching, and happy threading!